Here I got another eBay package. I hope I got everything I want. This is a small package. I know what's inside there, and I hope I didn't get scammed or anything like that. I will have to report the seller. I didn't get the shipping label off, so I gotta be careful. Oh, I did get what I want. Looks like it. Yeah, that was delusional. I think. A lot of 2 boxes. So, these are I got more GE Cync Outlets. This is a lot of 2. Yep, they're all in there. Hope they all work, too. Yeah. So, I got all 6 outlets for less than $35. You only get 3 of these for $40. I think that's kind of like horrendous. It just barely does anything. It's $40 for 3 outlets. I think that's overpriced. Philips Hue's seems more worth it in this case. I like Philips Hue. I'm definitely gonna probably order some. So yep, yeah, all 6 outlets for $35. This is worth it. Thanks for watching.